Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to enter the BIOS on Windows 10 and Windows 11. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to enter the BIOS on Windows 10 and Windows 11, go down to your start button and then right click on it. And then go to shutdown or sign out. And before you click on restart, hold down your left shift button on your keyboard and then click on restart while holding down left shift. And once the computer is restarted, you can let go of shift. Next, you need to click on troubleshoot, and then you need to click on advanced options. And then here, you'll have an option called UEFI firmware settings, and you can click on that and it's going to restart the computer and automatically enter the BIOS. Now, if you don't see the option, like I don't have it here, it means your computer does not have a UEFI BIOS and you'll need to access the BIOS in another way. So to do that, go back and go back again and then click on turn off your PC. And once your PC has turned off, you need to press the power button and then you need to press one of these keys on the keyboard. Depending on your motherboard or laptop manufacturer, you need to turn on your computer and then immediately press the key for your motherboard or laptop manufacturer. And you can see the most common keys to enter the BIOS on your screen now. And you just need to press that key repeatedly until you get to the BIOS of your computer. If you have a Lenovo laptop, Lenovo has a BIOS button and you can take something small like a paperclip for example, and then while the laptop is off, just press that button and it's going to start up your laptop and automatically take you to a menu where you can enter the BIOS. I hope this guide's been useful. Please like the video and I'll see you in the next one.